Hey, this is Ron, KC0QVT, and I'm coming at you live from Hamvention in Ohio, 2023. And I've been blessed to meet Steve, Whiskey 3, Alpha Tango November. And Steve is a customer of ours. And what did you buy from us, Steve?
The 878 UV2 Plus. It was my first radio. I'd just been licensed for 2 years, and that's how I got into it, was with that radio, started me out. And I also got the hotspot, your hotspot as well.
So is this your first go at DMR?
Yeah, at anything ham radio.
Oh, wow.
That was my first radio, and that's how I got into it. So then I got into DMR at the same time, but I use the radio all the time for other things too, satellite and everything else. It's a great radio.
You said you just got licensed a couple years ago. Are you now just tech, general, or extra?
Last year here I got extra.
Oh wow! Well, congratulations.
I've got a license to learn.
You do. So what are you doing with your ham radio journey with respect to digital? Are you talking, you said through the hotspot or local repeaters?
Primarily through the hotspot rather than local repeaters. And when I go and I travel, I'll take the hotspot with me and just, plug in my room and do it from there.
Nice. So have you made contacts all over the world?
Yeah, primarily in the States, but I do have some countries.
So how many contacts do you think you've made since you've started your ham radio journey and getting into digital?
Oh, I haven't even looked at it. I don't have any.
A lot?
A lot, though, yeah.
That's cool. So it's been fun?
Easy, yeah.
It's been really fun?
Yeah.
That's cool. So do you think that when it comes to your learning and your education about digital radio, what did you know before you started working with DMR?
Squat.
You didn't know anything?
I didn't know a thing. And that's the other thing I'll say is that your BridgeCom University, that was fantastic. I just went through everything and for the radio and for the hotspot, and I think I had to call you guys one time way back when because all the questions were answered in those videos.
That's awesome.
Up and running.
Well, that's the intent to shorten that learning curve, to show you guys how. And Steve is a good example of just somebody that's taking advantage of the training and partnering with us so that he's not frustrated. He's happy. He's having a great time, and he's making more contacts. He's prepared. And he's got a new skill.
Yeah, and I did the programming myself. I didn't get a preloaded hotspot or anything. I just got everything basic and just followed your videos and did all the programming myself. No problem.
Nice. So real quick, where are you from, Steve?
I live in Maryland, middle Maryland.
Well, it's a pleasure to meet Steve. Thank you so much for stopping by and saying hi. We always love to meet our customers and also to hear their stories. So, awesome. 7-3.
Thanks again for a great product and great support.
Thank you, sir.